I'm going to show you the best TEMU coupon code hack. Now, from TEMU here, you want to go and browse around all of here, right? Now, you want to find the product you want to buy. For example, I want to buy this massage gun. I'm going to click on this. I want to buy on this. I'm going to click on add to cart. Now, the thing here, we're going to cart here and we're going to check out, right? We're going to check out by pressing on this button. Now, here's the secret. We can get in a coupon code here, right? So this item, all of these are already discounted and we can enter in more coupon codes. So the coupon code will stack. We're gonna get a lot more discount by getting from this discount here, and we're gonna get it even more with this order coupon code here. You can get the coupon code from the description below or in the pinned comment below. You just have to enter in the coupon code on this box here and click on apply, and you'll see the numbers go down. Remember, that's the secret. You can get the discount from the items here, and you can even further and make it more extreme by adding the discount with the coupon code here. Remember, the coupon code is at the description or at the pinned comment down below.